Hello and welcome to this video tutorial guide on configuring and using graphics floor plans in Identity Access. This video will guide you through the process of setting up and configuring a graphics floor plan in Identity Access, which will enable you to visualize your access control system in real time and perform remote actions, for example, unlocking a door on screen. Graphics floor plans requires an IA Pro or an IA Enterprise license. Please email sales@controlsoft.com for more information. Before you start, please ensure that you have Identity Access 9 installed. You can find a link to the installation video in the description. Identity Access has already been installed on this machine and basic two-door system has been configured. To be able to add the floor plan, you must have the graphical floor plan photo ready on the PC or server so that we can import it to Identity Access. The minimum resolution is 800 by 600 pixels. The software will automatically resize the image to this minimum size, so be mindful. It may distort your image if it is smaller than 800 by 600 pixels. Now let's get started on the setup. Once logged into Identity Access, choose Advanced from the top menu and select Graphics Designer. Under the Outline tab, there is a new page by default already created. Highlight this page, then click on the pen and paper icon to modify it. Give the graphics page a name, and then click on the Load Background Image button to add your floor plan image that you prepared earlier. Click Open, then click Accept. You are now able to select IA objects from the left-hand menu, where you'll find controllers, doors, readers, object groups, counters, timers, and inputs and outputs. As this is a basic setup guide, we're going to keep things fairly simple and just add a door and reader today, but you can get creative and set up any other objects mentioned to really customize your floor plan. You can now see that door 1 has been added to the floor plan, and from here you can resize the door to match the scale of your floor plan by left-clicking the square in the bottom right-hand corner of the door and holding your finger down on the left mouse button to drag outwards and enlarge the size of the door, or inwards to reduce the size of the door. We can now also add the reader for door 1 as well as resize using the same method. Now that we have both the door and the reader added to the floor plan, we can save the floor plan using the Save icon in the top left menu bar. Let's demonstrate how the door and reader icons now change automatically on the Access Allowed event. Click on Home, select Dashboard from the top menu, and then choose Floor Plan from the tabs in the middle of the screen. If we now present a card to the reader, you can see the reader icon changes to show Access Allowed and the door icon goes green to show the unlock state. If you're looking to install a system and set up some advanced graphics floor plan options and need some assistance, please reach out to support@controlsoft.com and we will assist you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to always be informed when we release a new video.